welcome back to the channel. So we are working on the Project Flip 1. This is going to be the first flip on the channel. We're hoping to get this thing done in a fashionably time. It is cold out, so it's kind of like, it sucks. But we're going to get it done, and hopefully we make a good profit on it. And so today what we're going to be doing is the front end. The front end is pretty shot. I got some of the parts right there already laid out. We're gonna try to do as much as we can. Like if it's not shot, we're not redoing it because that eats into the profit, of course. So underneath the truck, we got the stabilizer bar, we got the tie rods, the outer tie rods, we got the one that goes up to the pitman arm, and we got these big long bars that go from both knuckle to knuckle on each side. And we got our stabilizer end links and then our bushings for the stabilizer bar, and I think that will be it. If we run into any other issues where getting stuff out, it breaks, or it is just shot and we didn't know, obviously we'll replace that because it does attract buyers when you put that on the listing, and then when they come, because most people want to get rid of the vehicles because they're junk. We're going to try to make it look a little bit better. We'll do the brakes, we'll do the the front end parts, we'll change the oil, we'll do the spark plugs. And I think that's it. What do you think, Contour? That's about it, right?
You say brakes all the way around?
Yeah, brakes. No rotors or drums. Because front rotors in the front, drums in the back. We'll do the shoes in the rear, and we'll do the pads in the front. And then it'll stop on a dime. It'll be nice and tight in the front ends. I mean, the only thing it needs to do is just get inspected. Because we're normally everything has inspections up here. So, yeah, I think that would be good, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get to it. We got the tires off. We're now assessing how bad this is while it's off the ground. We never really took it off the ground to see if we were able. They were that shut. We could just move them with our hands with all the weight of the truck on the ground. So coming on down here to this bar that comes right down to the knuckle, the outer tie rod here. There's really no threads to grab on this thing. It is that rotted up. Doesn't even make sense. Is that rusted? So what we're gonna try doing is I'm gonna heat this bolt up. Then we're going to bash a socket on there, and then we're going to try taking it off. If that doesn't work, we're just going to have to cut that off, and that's just going to take a little more time, but it's definitely going to come out, and we can definitely get it done. So the other side is just the exact same. It is not looking good at all. So we're just going to heat them up, bash it on, and hopefully that takes care of it. If not, we're just going to have to be here a little bit longer than we would like to be doing this front end. So you know what? You ready, Contour?
Let's roll.
All right.
There you go. I got a couple B-roll shots.
Just gonna film it now?
Yeah, is that a good view?
Yeah.
In case we have to take turns, because I have a feeling this could be a long one.
Just got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. It's gonna be a long. You're an asshole.
No offense.
Alright. guys, so we got it out. had to cut this one, and then we had to cut the top of the nut on the outer tie rod, but they're out. We reassembled the new one. We put it all in to line it up. Everything is there except the tie rod that goes to the pitman arm and the adjustable sleeve as well. So we're gonna wait on that. We have to go and get that. I thought we had it, but we don't. Coming on over to the passenger side, so we were thinking, well, why not just, well, we'll leave that for tomorrow. We'll get everything all set, so just put it in, no problem. So we'll just do this U-joint right now. So, well, we went out to the store and we got a, 1 11/16 socket. Fits it real good, but then we come over here and our 1/2-inch drive doesn't even fit that thing. I don't even know what size that is.
That's a fucking inch drive.
It's huge. So we're pretty much done for the day. I mean, there's that. I'm not even gonna mess with anything else because I don't wanna. I don't know. It's just getting cold, to be honest with you, too. So, what do you think, Contour? That's pretty much it. I mean, we got it out. Everything's pretty much put back together except the tie rod that goes to the pitman arm and the adjustment sleeve, and then the U-joint here is which is done, and then the steering end links. But the end links we can't do yet because it's got to come out. Because on this side, the mount itself, if you want to go here, the mount itself is completely rotted, and I'm gonna have to weld it back to the bottom of the coil spring, and that will do that. And then apparently I got to weld this too because it's held on with duct tape. I don't know if you can. So there's that as well. Hopefully there's something there to be welded on. So I mean, that is it for pretty much project 1 for day 1 of the flip repair build. So you know what, guys, that is it. So like, share, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you on the next video.